an inverter, or NOT for short. An inverter gate looks like this. Pretty much triangle with a clown nose on it, where your input is on the left, the output is on the right. So let's call this input A, output Y. Think of an inverter, and the name implies it does inversion. So think of it as a person that you tell, hey, look to the left, they end up looking to the right, or you ask them, hey, look to the right, they end up looking to the left, or tell them, hey, lower the car window, they end up raising it, or raise the car window, they end up lowering it. Simple. So in a digital logic circuit, when we have an inverter or a NOT gate, whatever on the input gets inverted. So if we have a 0 on the input, it becomes 1 on the output. And if we have a 1 on the output, it becomes, if we have 1 on the input, it becomes 0 on the output. You can express this using the following algebraic function, which is y equal x bar. The bar stands for inverted or not. Or you might also see it written like this: y equal x, and there's this apostrophe here. This is the same. And the truth table for this bad boy is the following. So input, output, A, Y. So we have a 0 on the input, 1 on the output, 1 on the input, 0 on the output. Simple as that. In future videos, I will dive deeper on how a NOT gate is constructed on the inside, all the transistor setup and whatnot. But for the sake of this video, I just want you to understand how this bad boy works. Thanks for watching.